Today we are going to unbox a landline phone from Beetel. It's cost 500 rupees only from Amazon. So yes, we'll just unbox it. It's very lightweight, very handy, as you can see. So this goes with the Geo fiber box, so you can make calls. Just in case you need to save it if I have to return. So yeah, looks good, and that's how it is. So it has mute function, flash function, redial function. That's it. So you have this wire goes inside, and this one you can hang it in the wall with this. It's very good. And these buttons are for ringer, so you can set the ringer till 3 setting. This is the higher ringer volume. So yes, and that's how it goes. Fantastic. Goes up to the wall mount, something to hang it on a wall. It goes. So I had previously a different handset, phone. I had this phone, but same price, but the problem is the ringer is very low on this phone, and second thing is that dialing habits, like it's like mobile, so you cannot actually feel like the receiver is not on the air, so I can't recognize whether I'm dialing the right number or not. So many times I had to try multiple times to dial one number. Okay, so I'll try this one and see how it goes.